in search of sanity. Hello, welcome to A Moment in Time with LilyBell. We don't have time to read it, we don't have time to aim. Baby, we just gonna fire. Great for rising. The thing now is that Donald Trump is gonna take us back. He's gonna end integration, and we're gonna go back to segregation. Hooray and hallelujah. More power to you, Donald J. Trump. Black man, do you realize how much better off we were doing segregation? We had our own everything. Our own hospitals, our own doctors, our own educational system. I learned much more and got a more holistic education pre-integration than I did post-integration. Yes, we had hand-me-down books, tore up old books. We had substandard, I guess you would call it, equipment, but guess what? We had teachers who cared. We had people who actually saw us as humans. They saw us as people. The little girl looking up at the female teacher could see herself standing there. The black female teacher looking at the little girl sitting there could see herself sitting there. The young men, the young boys looking at the men, grown men standing up there, grown teachers, could see themselves standing there. The grown black men looking at the little boys sitting there could see themselves sitting there. That's how the holistic education came about. Everybody saw themselves in everybody. Look at the educational system now. We had better communities. We had better everything. So what if we couldn't drink out of a white water fountain? Let's take this opportunity to rebuild. And now we are rebuilding with knowledge. We've gone through the segregation, some of us. So we know the pitfalls and we know the pluses. Let's pick on the pluses and leave off the pitfalls. Integration was one of, if not the worst thing that ever happened to the black man. And it's sad, sad, sad. I even thought about that as a little girl. I didn't quite understand it, but to me it was just off. I never understood why we were fighting to sit beside somebody in a church. But we had our own churches. Nobody fought to sit by us. Some of us had nice homes. I didn't see no white people fighting to live near us. So, black man, take this time to build from the knowledge of what you've learned and teach it to the young ones so they can build on what we've learned, so we can have a strong, vibrant community with our own stuff. Stores, banks, hospitals, churches, the moms and pops. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Support our youth. Reach out to the young brother who dropped the beats. Spacemanfalcon at gmail.com. Support our youth in any way you can. Keep on churning till the butter comes. Albert Richardson, a black man, patent the butter churn U.S. patent number 446470, February 17th, 1891. I'm LilyBell. I'm just trying to create a dialogue. I leave you with this. If they close my book, you remember my story. Black man, you chose to ride the bullet train of integration right into hell. Why did you do it? A Nat Turner Runner production. Lock and load. LilyBell. Be encouraged.